We are on a side quest today, which takes me to the top of the roof. I mentioned this project once before, but there's holes in the roof, which are these little nail heads, and you can see actually some spots where previous homeowner put a patch over it, right? But now there's all these little nail holes that are popping up, and it's tearing holes into the parapet. So clearly I'm not the first one with this idea, but we are going to put patches on it just like that using self-adhering parapet tape. And so I got a big 25-foot roll, but I don't know if you can tell, maybe I'll change the angle, but there's a lot of nail heads poking up. I don't know who doesn't know how to use a hammer, but that's something that's definitely going to be a problem in the future. This is a temporary patch, and I'll walk through how to do that right now, which is easy. But the long-term solution is to take off the roof when I get it replaced. Maybe replace the boards underneath, but definitely hit down all those nail heads and make it like new. And slope the roof a little bit, I think. That'll help all the runoff. So now, all you want to do is find your area where your leak is. Okay, so one of them for me is right here. You can see this little nail head popping through. And I make fun of people not being able to swing hammers, but most likely what happened is they just pushed themselves out over time. It's an old roof. So you take yourself a little piece, cut it off like that. Remove the good stuff. And this tape is super easy. All you do is make sure your area is dry first. Otherwise you won't get a super good adhesion. And then you want to make sure that you push out all the air bubbles. And voila. It's not a forever fix, but it'll stop the leaking. And I will link the tape. This self-adhering stuff is pretty good. No mess, no fuss. But there is other stuff that chemically treats and seals, and that stuff's pretty good too. I'd highly recommend any of these fixes, but you still want to get yourself a new roof in the long run. So